he's in a weird position, but he also has the advantage of being able to intimidate.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder how many people, how much is that a role of it? Like being scared of the other person?
It's a huge role, I think. I think some of the top guys would deny it, but when you're in the 7th hour and you're playing Magnus, it's a very different feeling than some of the other. When Magnus is messing around in the opening, it's very different than another person messing around in the opening. You just kind of like expect for something to be there. We'll see if it translates to poker for him, but I think he gets a little bit maybe less respect in the poker world. In the chess world, he's sort of alpha.
He gets a lot of respect. I just talked to Daniel Negreanu. He gets the only person that doesn't respect Magnus Carlsen, honestly, either in chess or poker, is Magnus Carlsen.
I was going to say Hans Niemann.
That's true. But like Magnus is hilarious. I mean, when he talks about his rating, he's like, it's pretty good. When he talks about how good he's at poker, I suck. But I think that self-critical view that I think he honestly believes to a degree is probably part of the engine that fuels him to get better and better and better and better.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is if you're face to face with Magnus at a chessboard, it's not the same as being in a 9-handed poker table with him. You kind of keep an eye on him, maybe he's a mysterious guy, but chess is different because you're like, this is the man.
Yeah, there's very few people. Yeah, so in poker they talk about Phil Ivey that way.
Yeah.
As like this super intimidating. I think that's it's probably harder to intimidate in poker. Actually, I don't know. There's something intimidating about like excellence in a deterministic game that's just terrifying. Like you're fucked. I mean, it's like playing Stockfish. Like you're fucked.
Mm-hmm.
This thing will suffocate you.
Mm-hmm.
And especially when you makes moves that you don't understand. To me, the most beautiful thing, honestly, is the sacrifices that the engines do. It's such a fuck you.
Yep.
Like I could sacrifice pieces, and I'll get them back, and I'll get them back more, and I could I
don't even have to get them back. Your position is so bad. I gave you full material, and there's nothing you can do about it. Yeah.
That's terrifying.
Yeah.
That's terrifying. That's like, and that transfers to AI systems in general, like a system that plays weak just to fool you.